Module 1 for third sem engineer students, mathematical logic. In that syllabus, fundamentals of logic, basic connectives and truth tables, logic equivalence, the laws of logic, logical implication, rules of inference, the use of quantifiers and quantifiers definitions, and proof of theorems. In basic connectives and truth table, in first definition is proposition. What is the proposition means? It is a one of the declarative sentence. It is either true or false, but not both. Means if the sentence is we declare that it is true. For example, 5 is a 5 is odd number. This is truth statement. 6 is odd number. This is false. It's tell either true or false, not both. Means maybe, may not be. That like we don't tell. That uh, examples, that sentence also called proposition. Okay, proposition means a proposition is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both. These are the examples. We tell it is true or false, but in one sentence it is true and also false. We don't tell. Okay, this is called proposition. Then which are the not proposition sentence? I tell you. What is the time now? How you define this one, true or false, right? So this is not a proposition. Okay, and another example, read this carefully. Write this correctly. These are not propositions. Okay, next, logical connectives and truth tables. In that we use the words, these are also propositions. In that proposition we have to hide of words or phrases like not, and, if, then, and, if and only if. We use these words or phrases into the sentence, these into new proposition, obtaining new proposition, right? Means how it one, for example, first we see in the not. Okay, 5 is odd number. had not, 5 is not hard number. This shows if a true statement is there, when the logic will be applied, that becomes not a proposition. That means false statement. Okay. First, uh, I have to tell what is logical connectivity is. Okay. You understand now logical connectivities are how to works, how what are they? Okay. I defined it. Okay. Logical connectivities. This is new proposition is obtained by inserting the word not and if, then, and if and only if. Okay. New proposition is obtained by inserting the word like not and if then and if and only if. Such words or phrases are called logical connectives. Okay. These words are called logical connectives. Okay. Such words or phrases are called logical connectives. Right? In that first one, negation. Negation means already you think what we use in the logical connective in the negation? Not. Right? Negation means we apply it in the proposition not. Insert the word not. Okay? Definition. A proposition is new proposition. Okay? Obtained by inserting the word not. Okay? That appropriate place in the given proposition. At an where to apply is also important, right? Appropriate place. Okay? In the given proposition is called negation of the given proposition. Okay? This the negation of the proposition is denoted by this line. Okay? This can be read as not be. Okay, right? P means proposition. Okay? If P is true, then not P is false. I show in the example. If P is true means 4 is even number. This is true, right? And this is proposition. If not will be applied to the proposition, it becomes 4 is not even number. This is a false statement, right? So like if P is true, then not P is false. Absolutely. 4 is even number. Proposition is true. 4 is not an even number. Not P is false. Okay? And then that is the in the truth value. If the true value will be is there in truth table, we written as 1. Okay? If false is there in the proposition, we write as 0. Okay? You understand? I think you understand the negation. In negation, we ought to write truth table. Table of negation. What is the possibilities of if P is true? Absolutely not proposition is false. If proposition is false, not proposition is true. This is the truth table of the negation. Okay? Conjunction. In that, compound proposition obtained by combining two given proposition by inserting the and. Okay? Yeah, for example, P and Q are any two propositions. We denoted as conjunction as P and Q. It symbol read as and. Okay, it is read as P and Q. Okay, the conjunction here, what is the truth table means if P and Q is true, only P is true and Q is true. In all cases, P and Q is false. Okay. Which are the all cases? P is true, Q is false. P is false, Q is true. P is false, Q is false. Okay. If P is true, we denote it as in the truth table 1. P and Q also, if true, we denote it as 1, and false, we denote it as 0. We know that already in the negation. Okay. How it is now? For example, P proposition is root 5 is a irrational number. This is true. Q is 6 is a prime number. This is false. right? P and Q. How it rise? Root 5 is a irrational number and 6 is a prime number. Truth table for conjunction. P, Q, P and Q. If P true, Q true, P and Q also true. If P true, Q false, then P and Q also false. Like that. Root 5 is a rational number. Is this true? 6 is prime number. This is false. P and Q, root 5 is a rational number, right? But and also 6 is a prime number. This is false statement, right? Both are combined, then becomes it is false, right? So false. If phi is false, Q is true, then P and Q also false. P false, Q false, P and Q also false. This is the truth table of the conjunction. What is the definition of the conjunction? A compound proposition obtained by combining two given proposition by you inserting the hunt means logical connectivity. This is logical connectivity. It's one of the right. I hope you understand both negation and conjunction. Next class, I will discuss about the disjunction and exclusive disjunction and conditional. And by conditional, these are four logical connectives. Okay, then I will discuss about the problems. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.